Made possible by BrainyBuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Hey, I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1000 and the Spirit 2 E-210. What's the deal?
All right, let's break it down. The Q1000 is that compact portable grill, right? The Spirit 2 E-210 is the larger, more traditional backyard grill.
Yeah, I see that. The Q1000 is only 189 square inches of cooking space, while the Spirit 2 E-210 boasts 360 square inches. That's a big difference.
Huge! Think about how many burgers you can cook at once. The Spirit 2 E-210 has two burners cranking out 18,000 BTU, while the Q1000 has just one burner at 8,500 BTU. So the Spirit 2 E-210 is definitely more powerful.
Okay, power and space to cook more. Got it. But the Q1000 is way more portable, right? It's only 27.5 pounds.
Exactly. The Spirit 2 E-210 is only 20 pounds actually. The Q1000 is designed for tailgating and camping. The Spirit 2 E-210 is more of a stay-at-home grill, though it does have a fold-down side table for smaller spaces.
What about the grates? Are they the same?
Both have porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are great for even heating and easy cleanup. The Spirit 2 E-210 is iGrill 3 compatible, which is Weber's smart grilling tech but sold separately. It has a built-in thermometer.
Ah, so the Spirit 2 E-210 has more features, but it's bigger and less portable. Is there anything else?
Well, the Q1000 uses those small disposable propane cylinders, which can be a pain to keep buying, though you can get an adapter for a larger tank. The Spirit 2 E-210 uses a standard 20 pounds propane tank. Also, the Q1000 is listed at $229. The Spirit 2 E-210 is currently unavailable.
Right. So if I need something for small spaces and a lot of cooking power, the Spirit 2 E-210 sounds better. But if I want something I can easily take anywhere and I'm okay with less space and a smaller flame, the Q1000 is the way to go.
You got it. It really depends on your grilling needs and lifestyle.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.